Finishing touches is made possible by Lafarge gypsum, bringing material to life.
What draws you into a shop? Is it the products on offer, the shop name, or the decor? Shop owners take all of this into consideration when planning and designing their stores. Foyle Hair Boutique in Sandton has recently moved from a small shop to a much larger area. Owner Stoffel van Wyk explains what he had in mind for the new salon.
I like glass, I like wood, I like stone, I like animal hide, I like crystal, I like eclectic, old world, modern.
Designer Casey Kerwin was faced with the challenge of dividing up the area into different spaces that worked for Stoffel and his team.
When we first received the space from the client, it was quite a large area, so we demarcated the space using drywall partitioning just to create the washroom area, which needs to be a lot quieter. Then there was areas for retail specifically to punt the products. And then also the bar area, which was, to serve customers coffee and things like that, and the cutting stations.
For a hairstylist, lighting is crucial. Casey paid special attention to the requirements of the client and used a number of design techniques to provide different lighting solutions.
The original space had quite a high ceiling, so we used bulkheads to obviously lower that down because you need a lot of focus lighting for a hair salon, and that provided space for a lot of lighting for the cutting stations.
The design team also used dropped ceilings and bulkheads to provide space for speakers and aircon vents. Casey's used a lot of different finishes to achieve a sense of timeless elegance in the salon.
We looked at a bit of industrial glam, so going with the screeded flooring, bringing in the crystal chandeliers, that sort of thing. Using the mint colour, the paint, which comes initially from his branding. The glass in the mirrors is quite a focal point in the salon, so having them floating above the cutting stations was part of the look. So basically quite an eclectic space.
The overall look and feel of the salon is exactly what owner Stoffel had envisaged.
It's fulfilled a lot of dreams that we had since the inception of this business 7 years ago.
Finishing touches is made possible by Lafarge gypsum, bringing material to life.